Hey guys, welcome to my other video, and in this video I'll show you how to make a responsive homepage using Bootstrap so that it can fit into different platform screen. So you need two files, that is bootstrap.min.css and bootstrap.min.js, and I'm using Atom for my text editor, and you have to link your CSS and JavaScript file of Bootstrap inside your HTML file, and I have those file in my same directory, so I'm just copy pasting the name of this file, and you may copy the link of Bootstrap inside your HTML file also. And now inside the body tag I am writing the navigation tag, that is nav, and declaring the class as snapbird space snapbird inverse space snapbird fixed off space snapbird custom, so that it will fit into your screen and it will always be there throughout the page. And inside that navigation tab I'm declaring the div tag as the class name navbar header, and inside that the hyperlink tag, that is a, and the class name will be navbar brand, and you may declare your page name here. And after that div tag you just declare ul, that is unordered list, and the class will be nav space navbar dash navbar right. You may write navbar left to be align it to left. And now just write li tag, and inside the li tag declare your hyperlinks tag and rename your link tag. And so now it's complete, and now just go back to your folder and open your page, and it will look like this. So now after the navigation tag you need to declare the section tag, and inside the section you need to declare image. I have image on my same directory, so I'm declaring the only the name of my image file. And if you refresh the page you can see that it will not fit into the screen, so I'm declaring the class name, that is image underscore control. Okay, so I have to declare here a class file, that is .css file, and sorry, I need to create a class file or CSS file as named as css.css, and also save your class file or CSS file as .css format. And here you can see that you have to write the class name, and before that in the dot, and inside your class name, just after your class name just give a second bracket and write these attributes like background repeat no repeat, background size cover, height 100 ph, and width will be 100%. and you need to link your that CSS file, and if you refresh the page it will look like this. And okay, so now I need to edit my navbar and the navbar custom, and I'm choosing the navbar color from here, the color picker, and the background color. So if you refresh the page you can see the change of the navigation bar color. So after that you need to declare the div tag, and the class name will be item. So inside the div tag you need to declare your again div tag, and the class name will be carousel caption. So now here you need to declare you can write any quotes or any title of your page or any caption of your page here. I'm just writing that one more coffee. Okay, so you need to design that text also. So I'm declaring the tag name here, and the color will be the same as the navigation bar color. And if you refresh the page it will look like this. And then I'm just changing the tags to align it into same line. So here it will be B, and the font size will be just like 30 px, and to declare the p1 I have not already declared the class name of p, so I'm declaring it as p1. And if you refresh the page, it will look like this. And I just so inside the carousel caption class, you just need to define the style as margin bottom as 150 px, and also I'm increasing the font size. And if you refresh the page, it will look like this. So after that, I'm declaring the hyperreference tag, that is a, and declaring two buttons. I'm designing two buttons there, that is learn mode and services. And I just need to declare the class name. The first reference class name is a1 and the second class name is a2. So I'm declaring the dot a1 border will be 1 px solid, and the color will be same as the navigation bar background color, and the border radius will be 10 px, and also the padding will be 10 px. Okay, so now the margin right will be 10 px, and to declare the hover, that is whenever you go into that section, it will look like that. And if you refresh the page, it will look like this. So now here I have to declare the text declaration also and the color also. So the color will be white for the both, and you just need to copy and paste it and rename the class name, that is a1 to a2, and change the background color. So you can see, so if you resize the page, it will fit onto the screen and nothing will be overlapped. And here I just need to fix the theme. Okay, I'm declaring the beer tag. Now it's fine. So if you want to give the padding into the left or right inside the navigation bar, you may do it, and you may declare also the padding right. So here, that's the whole thing. So hope you enjoyed this video, and for the more these types of video, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.